Checking Amazon photo backup status.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to discuss how to determine if Amazon Photo Backup is still running on your device. This can be crucial in ensuring your photos are safely backed up. Let's get started.
What is Amazon Photo Backup?
Amazon Photos offers secure cloud storage for your photos, and with the mobile app, you can set it up to automatically back up your photos. If you've enabled this feature, it's a good idea to check its status regularly to ensure that your photos are being backed up properly.
How to check on Android.
1. Open the Amazon Photos app. 2. Tap on the three horizontal lines, hamburger icon, usually located at the top left corner. 3. Go to Settings. 4. Look for the Backup and Sync option. Here, you can see if your photos are currently being backed up and the last time they were synced.
How to check on iOS.
1. Open the Amazon Photos app. 2. Tap on the More option, usually located at the bottom right corner. 3. Go to Settings. 4. Navigate to the Backup and Sync section. Here, you'll be able to determine if your photos are in the process of being backed up or see the last sync status.
What if it's not running?
If you notice that the backup hasn't been running, 1. Ensure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. 2. Check if there's enough storage available in your Amazon cloud. 3. Restart the app or your device. 4. If all else fails, consider reinstalling the app or reaching out to Amazon's customer service for further assistance. Backup is essential for preserving your memories. It's always a good idea to check the status of your photo backup regularly. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to determine if Amazon Photo Backup is running on your device. Stay safe and keep backing up those precious moments.